So in this episode of the Cobra Daytona build, we're going to make a block-off plate. I'll show you here. So in the edge compartment, you've got this X against the back firewall. I'm going to make a plate of aluminum that's going to basically cover this whole area. And then we'll have two bulkhead fittings where the fuel system is going to come, both the feed and the return. So nice and clean. Some guys go underneath, bend them up, but I want them right into here that way, because at some point you have to transition to a flexible line. You can't have hard line all the way into the motor. So it'll be hard line from the filter up into the bulkhead, and then from the bulkhead to the motor will be braided Teflon PTFE line. So we'll get this thing going and follow along. If you like this video, please hit subscribe, and we'll get this plate kind of cut up. I'm going to come over 19.5 inches. We're barely gonna make it. It's gonna be close, so. I'm gonna leave this a little long and then we can grind it. So we're gonna do it this way. So there's my square. And then I'll have my triangle part on the bottom like that. So what we'll do is we get the square cut out first, and then I'll hold it up there once I get it fitted, and we'll use a pen or something to mark this. That way I know it's spot on. I'm not taking measurements, I'm just rolling with it. So I got that rear firewall cover plate all fabbed up. Kind of left a little gap so you can see a little black. Thought it was something a little different. So I got to finish cleaning up some of the edges, throw some more bolts in there, some more Clecos, and then we can get the bulkhead fittings drilled. Take this file. Yeah, I put a glove on because this crap is sharp. Now this just cleans up the edge, straightens it. So any high points get knocked down, low points got to get brought back up, and then I kind of round it over just a touch. Oops, bulkhead fittings right here, which are going to come out into here somewhere. The firewall block-off panel is now manufactured, so now we're just going to put some, drill some number 30 holes, evenly spaced to make it look clean. Not a lot, probably only be 5 holding this panel on. It's not structural or anything like most other things. So we're marking the holes, and then we'll drill these, and then we can start putting in the bulkhead fittings. So the firewall cover plate is now done. So you can see I've got the two AN bulkhead fittings -6 down there. So then I can run braided line up to my fuel pressure regulator that's either going to be mounted here or here. I'm hoping to mount it here, but we'll see if I've got the room. All depends on where that coyote ends up sitting. So actually I call it the illuminator now. So that panel's now done.